To begin customizing your RI video slider number 1 section, access your Shopify admin panel and navigate to Online Store and GT Themes. From there, click on the Actions drop-down for your active theme and select Edit Code. In the code editor, use the search bar on the left side to type in RI video slider 1. This will help you quickly locate the schema file responsible for defining all the settings, inputs, and structural components of this section. Once you've located the schema and verified its structure, switch over to the Customize Theme area by clicking Customize next to your theme in the Themes tab. Inside the Visual Customizer, scroll to the desired position on your home page or any other template and click on Add Section. From the list of available components, select RI Video Slider number 1. This will insert the slider into your storefront view and display a new sidebar panel where you'll manage all customization controls for this section. The slider is built with individual content blocks, each of which acts as a slide. These slides are versatile and can include video uploads, custom titles, subtitles, star ratings, and call to action buttons. Each block functions independently, which means you can customize every slide to serve a unique visual and storytelling purpose. To create a multi-slide carousel, simply click Add Item multiple times. Each added block gives you the option to upload or select a video directly from your Shopify file manager, making it seamless to integrate pre-recorded brand content or product showcases. This section is perfect for showcasing new arrivals, campaign stories, customer testimonials, educational clips, influencer collaborations, or brand documentaries. Whether you're highlighting a product's usage or sharing behind-the-scenes content, this slider adapts beautifully to visual storytelling needs. Each slide allows for a title and subtitle to be added. You can manually input text that introduces the video or gives it context. For instance, you might use this to announce a new product drop or summarize what the video covers. Beneath the titles, there's an option to enable star ratings, which can be especially effective when showcasing testimonials, product reviews, or any feature tied to trust building. You can control how many stars appear, what color they are when filled or empty, and even adjust the outline color to match your brand palette. The textual customization options are deep and granular. You can choose to inherit fonts from your global theme settings or define unique font families for the headings and body content in this section. Font size, letter spacing, line height, and mobile-specific variants are available to ensure optimal readability across all screen types. This level of control lets you design for both branding and clarity at the same time. The slider also supports button integration, enabling you to guide users toward a goal, whether it's exploring a product, reading a story, or making a purchase. Buttons can be added to each slide with their own label, destination URL, and complete styling control. You can modify button typography, padding, border thickness, font weight, and hover interactions. You also have the ability to control button shadow, corner roundness, spacing from surrounding content, and how it behaves on mobile versus desktop layouts. From a design and layout standpoint, you'll find options to configure how many slides are visible at one time. This lets you design a single slide focus experience or a carousel view with multiple slides side by side. You can control this behavior individually for desktop, tablet, and mobile to ensure optimal performance and visual balance. Padding, card spacing, margin, and section height are all adjustable to help you position the slider precisely on your page. The overlay system is another visual enhancement you can use to increase text legibility and add dimension to your design. You can place a color overlay above the video and control its opacity. This is especially useful when the video background is too dynamic or bright, which might otherwise make the text hard to read. Additionally, You can choose vertical and horizontal content alignment within each slide with device-specific settings to ensure precise positioning. On the navigation side, the ANY Video Slider number 1 includes full control over the arrows used to move between slides. You can show or hide arrows entirely or display them conditionally on hover. You can pick from various icon styles, modify their size, border, background color, and even how they behave on hover. This allows you to build a slider that is either subtle and sleek or bold and interactive, depending on your design preferences. Beyond individual slides, you also have extensive section-level controls. You can set background colors or gradients, apply a box shadow for visual elevation, and wrap the section in a border with customizable thickness, radius, and color. You also have layout level padding and margin controls that let you define spacing at the top, bottom, left, and right of the section. This makes it easy to maintain a balanced design when placing this slider above or below other homepage content. To further enhance the viewing experience and reduce load times, the section supports lazy loading. By enabling lazy load, videos only begin to load when the user scrolls them into view, which significantly improves performance, especially for users on mobile devices or slower internet connections. This feature is particularly valuable when you have multiple high-resolution videos embedded into your page. In terms of responsiveness, all configuration options, be it typography, layout, button size, or spacing, are device-aware. You can configure entirely different looks for mobile and desktop, ensuring your slider adapts fluidly to any screen size without breaking the design or user experience. ANY Video Slider number 1 is more than just a section. It's a high-impact, multimedia content module designed to maximize storytelling, engagement, and conversion. From showcasing your brand story in motion to providing immersive product education, this section acts as a dynamic visual anchor that gives depth and polish to any storefront. With so many flexible settings, you're empowered to craft a unique, mobile-optimized, and visually rich experience that stands out in the crowded e-commerce landscape. Once you're finished customizing all aspects, review the section in responsive mode and across various screen sizes. Test how the videos play, how text overlays display, and how buttons behave. When you're satisfied with the layout, save your changes and publish your theme to bring your brand's video story to life, fluid, functional, and fully on-brand. Telephone receiver need assistance? We're here to help. Got questions or need support? Reach out to us. Mobile phone call or WhatsApp 9035671333. Glow with Meridians, visit our website, click here. We are just a call or a click away.